The temperatures are downright dangerous. Judy joining us with the latest on conditions from the Lake Forest Oasis. Judy.
Good morning. If you haven't stepped outside, you are in for a shock to the system because it has been a little while since we've experienced this kind of cold. Here in Lake Forest, the temperature is 8 below. The brutal winds have made conditions very dangerous, and it's been causing all kinds of problems on the roads in suburbs to the north and to the west. A lot of us spent Friday and Saturday digging out from the storm. Streets, driveways, and parking lots are covered once again because of the blowing snow. Overnight, multiple cars slid off the roads and ended up in ditches. You're seeing some of the scenes from I-55 and Route 83 early this morning in southwest suburban Willowbrook. Tow truck drivers were busy rescuing drivers and their cars. Blowing snow created poor visibility also in Homer Glen. With these kind of conditions, snowplows struggle. Many have to make several passes as the wind blows the snow back onto the streets. Kept crews very busy at O'Hare overnight. This morning at last check, 63 delays at O'Hare and 77 cancellations. The Chicago area got about a half foot of snow, some places more than that, and as temperatures plunged Saturday afternoon, anything that was left on the pavement turned to ice. And Gaynor, I can tell you the winds are so fierce out here. We're inside in the truck and we could hear the winds howling, so just brutal. You may just want to stay in for a couple of days. In Lake Forest, Judy Wang, WGN News. How many days until spring, did Tim say?
He said 150, so we're counting down.
Okay.
Thank you, Judy.